You did everything right. You slept for a full 8 hours. The room was pitch black. You avoided caffeine in the afternoon and put your phone away long before bed. Yet as the alarm screams at 8 a.m., you feel like you haven't slept a wink. Your head is heavy, your thoughts are shrouded in a thick fog, and that first cup of coffee feels like a desperate lifeline rather than a morning ritual. Why does the simple math of sleep, the 8-hour rule, so often fail to equal the feeling of being refreshed? Welcome to Somnus Lab. Here we deconstruct the hidden mechanics of your mind to help you master the night. Today we are looking beyond brain waves to examine groundbreaking research published in the journal Brain that reveals the secret to restorative sleep. It's not just about what you dream, it's about how your brain washes itself. Let's dive in. In every other part of your body, there is a network called the lymphatic system that clears away waste. But for decades, scientists were confused because the lymphatic system doesn't enter the brain. So how does the most active organ in your body get rid of its trash? The answer is the glymphatic system. Think of it as a nightly dishwasher for your brain. While you're awake, your cells produce toxic byproducts like amyloid beta and tau, the proteins linked to Alzheimer's. During deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink by 60%. This creates space, allowing cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, to rush in like a tidal wave, flushing these toxins away. Now we come to the part where the 2025 study published in Brain changes everything. Traditionally, sleep quality is measured by brain waves using an EEG. We look for deep sleep, and if the waves are there, we assume everything is fine. However, researchers discovered a startling disconnect. Data shows that many people have perfect brain waves on paper, but still wake up exhausted. Why? Because brain waves are just a signal for the cleaning to start. They are not the cleaning itself. The study suggests that for some of us, the signal is sent, but the faucets don't open. The fluid doesn't flow. You've been in bed for 8 hours, but your brain is still dirty. What stops this wash cycle? The study points to a specific chemical culprit: noradrenaline. Noradrenaline is the brain's vigilance hormone. It keeps you alert and ready for action. For the glymphatic system to work, noradrenaline levels must drop to nearly zero. But in our high-stress world, our brains often stay in microarousal. If you are stressed, if your cortisol is high, or if you have sleep apnea, your noradrenaline never hits that floor. Your brain stays on guard all night long. This is why stress sleep feels so different from vacation sleep. On vacation, your noradrenaline drops, the dishwasher runs a full cycle, and you wake up feeling like a new person. How can we fix this flow? How can we ensure the dishwasher actually runs? Based on this research and clinical data, here are 3 science-backed steps. Master your posture. Side sleeping, especially on your right side, is the most efficient for glymphatic clearance. The cooling factor. Your core temperature must drop to trigger the wash. Keep your room between 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. A cool room signals your brain that it's time to clean. Lower the vigilance. Practice physiological sighing, a deep double inhale followed by a long exhale, to drop your noradrenaline levels before bed. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a biological necessity for a clean mind. If you feel that morning fog, remember, it's not just about the hours. It's about the quality of the wash. At Somnus Lab, we will continue to dive into the deepest waters of science to help you master the night. Join us on this journey by subscribing. Keep your brain clean, wake up clear, and always stay in the light of science. See you in the next video.